The Sierra foothills offer a quiet place to call home with acreage and these uninterrupted views. But settling here isn't what it used to be.
It's been getting worse, but about a year, I've noticed it being affected. And the values have gone down because the homes can't sell.
Following years of catastrophic fires, realtor Stephanie Mentzer-Polly explains, homeowners are seeing their insurance costs rapidly increase or cut entirely, making their homes difficult to sell.
People have been trying to hold on to them because they can't afford to sell them at a loss, a lot of them. We haven't been in a market where people have had to sell at a loss lately.
Things have gotten so bad here in the foothills in some cases that sellers are offering to pay for a year or two of insurance for the buyer to help offset some of the costs of the home.
So depending on the fire risk score, it can be anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000.
For a year?
For a year.
Did you ever see numbers like that in your 20 years?
No, not even close. Most people were used to paying somewhere between $1,000 to $1,500, maybe $2,000 a year, and those days are limited.
Ben Polly, owner of Clinton Polly Insurance, navigates these insurance woes head-on. He's also Stephanie's husband. Together, they can figure out the insurability of a home as the first step in the home buying process instead of one of the last steps.
Typically, you find the house, fall in love, and then you do your inspections. But we start there because it's a waste of everyone's time if they can't afford to do the insurance.
When the homes do sell, Stephanie says, they're not to local buyers.
Gotten lucky with some Bay Area cash, but the Bay Area isn't coming as much lately.
And when they do come through, she says, some are finding out after the fact that they can't get insurance. Ben expects the future of the insurance marketplace to look a lot like the present.
They're going to stay this way for a little while. You just can't insure against a wildfire. Most pricing that actuaries put in place on homes is based on one or two structures being lost in a fire, not thousands.
Until some balance is restored, sellers may have to hang on to their homes or sell at a loss, while buyers may have to wait on that Sierra getaway. In El Dorado County, Max Resnick, KCRA 3 News.